Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials, a working internet connection, and the network adapter you will share. Once done, elevate to Administrator so Windows or Mac OS can change network settings. Open Network Settings now and pick your method: mobile hotspot for simplicity, internet connection sharing for compatibility, or a hosted network if you need a custom SSID. Do this first because the rest of the steps depend on that choice. Make sure you note which adapter is upstream and which will broadcast. Next, configure the adapter that will broadcast. On Windows, set up a hosted network or toggle mobile hotspot and enter an SSID and a strong password. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Once configured, go to the original Internet Adapters, Sharing tab, and bind the connection to the broadcasting adapter so traffic flows correctly. If devices must use specific addresses, assign a static IP or configure DHCP scope. These steps ensure client. Finally, connect your client device and test access by browsing and pinging a reliable host. If the client cannot reach the internet, restart the broadcasting adapter or reboot the PC, because many issues clear with a reset. Make sure firewalls or VPNs are not blocking sharing, and confirm the broadcast adapter's DNS and gateway settings match the upstream connection. If problems persist, temporarily disable security software to isolate the issue. Then restore protection and adjust rules so sharing remains secure and functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.